machine, cooking up dope with the Uzi. My it's savage through this, got 30s and hundreds round two. My bitch is better bullshit.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MelaninG or whatever, and I decided that I was gonna hop on the bandwagon and finally do the tree makeup tutorial.
Oh my god, even though it broke, oh my god.
Now granted, my tree is garbage, so I'm gonna just put that out there so then, you know, y'all don't try to shade me in the comments, you know. But we about to get it on and poppin'. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, let's all geek together. And then of course, follow me on my handles. It's in the description box as well. So yeah, let's get it on and poppin'. Hello everyone for Medinja Gilda and Tisa say no me Robbie and me tree tutorial no right. But you know, me Robbie and no Tringlish because me tree no cry.
Yeah. Oh my god.
You know, but one who said Miami brows know that and Tisamu pet very descriptive eyebrow tutorial. One country me will comment section hono so that next time it's me yet. So say no me brabe me brows no kaka me pesa I don't know you're sharp. And then at the same time, my brows know you're clean, and me use it. My LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I don't know, my person is the fact that like, ooh, wow. Yikes. Let's try that again. Me use Toffee from Honum because the fact that said like, my person Hanum, yeah, very vibrant, and then on top, no, it's Honum. My person, yeah, very natural. For Srono, me using my L'Oreal True Match foundation and shade no yeah C8. Me use the foundation way from me because of the fact that said like foundation no undertones no and yet and I'm a meaning to say like me and I don't like that. Me pesa you know, so I just use it to you know prepare a Srono. So say no, Maria, my brows no, and me brow before me beauty blender no, but because of the fact that I said and then you can't tree you know, and me brow before I did way a whole first support. Bruh. Yes, a whole first support, and me brow before me a whole first support. I blended a hand on niya. So say no, me brow primer my lids no, me use a Sa concealer no, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee no as my eyeshadow primer. Then my Sa blender with you know, hey, I didn't know. Hello. Then my Sa blender no with me a home first apple. Then my Sa translucent powder atoso because Sa translucent powder no. I'm not concealer no at na ho like and kobebia and at the same time no because like menino debia I like debia a basa na say oily and Sa translucent powder no it makes everything sit. I don't know, but it's not whole comment you know, and the translucent powder I'm using no yeah a Coty Airspun no to me at Walmart and I say some CVS's and then some Walgreens, but so need side locations no to me at online. And Robbie use it Juvia's Place Masquerade palettes. Me per way no because of what they said like a black owned, and I feel like said like black owned products. I'll put my money there. Maybe from this camera to again because why not? My Robbie a very simple eyeshadow base. So eyeshadow way no to me I know feel like it's not very hard. So my Robbie use it colors me in a way. So to start as the base shade no, my Robbie use it I don't know your friend eyeshadow shade no your friend no ada and team me using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush. Now my yet Sa blending action. out perimeter no me brother fa Zobo purple shade when no ASSA for my eyeliner me using Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Black Norm because it dry and matte and tea and yes shiny and at the same time sound so yeah me liner no I don't know I may say again but you know it's okay. So say no Maria me liner no but me person me liner no I get shocked and to me safa a my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Sa Flat Brush we no na masa papa min papa concealer no to say because my brother show me foundation but I'm saying me show me foundation my brother yeah me lashes no me toner free Amazon no toner actually no me toner bad lashes no me toner $8.88 but to say no price no cost until me toner $9.99 but at the same time no in my opinion, and yeah, bad because the fact that I said lashes no your main lash. So what Amazon Prime lashes no be about one chain bed 2 days time. Next, my barber start me using my Murad Oil Control Mattifying. No idea where I am my favorite product just because said so nino I oily. Debia oily no matter what you use unimno to say obrabe no koko you know this stuff idea way juma okay. For my primer no me brabe using the Benefits Professional Matte Rescue and as soon as me blend it adiano woman me best set to adiano with sa Coty Airspun translucent powder. So I'm using my powder brush no na my sans satadian no so because of the fact that said me no me herne no aye oily debia oily me brother focus the powder no wa ha say no I'm trying to call baby for foundation no me use I didn't cry ever anything. Oh, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 368. Say my brother me a concealer no my brother concealer me need I didn't say no but you know we're going to roll what I want so my brother using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser to say concealer treatment no because sometimes man that and I say no I get tum sometimes but me use it the shade Tan. Next, my brother baking to I use a translucent Coty Airspun translucent powder. I saw fascia so that it doesn't crease. My brother found my contour no so until me use a CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in the shade Q120. My brother Safa Manika K ND I'm gonna say your friend NDO09 Dual Contour. Now my Safa so because my person my contour no I yet you know tada like surprise sis. Hello the wahano you know. And now me brabe pipa a Coty Airspun powder no na masafa me Black Radiance pressed powder with a matte finish in the shade 8614 and I say your friend no cafe. Me brabe fa blush kakre so me using me BH Cosmetics what is it, blush neutrals palette. Now my side use it now my mix it colors me a new way because the fact that I like how it looks, you know, mixed together versus alone. And then at the same time now my side for my cheeks, okay, my fno, is that what we call it, bruh? You know what, we're gonna say the fno, you know, I don't know, but it's okay. Now my boss you know, no dragging, you know, I like to tap now my, you know, now my tap. And last but not least, my brow is highlighted, and I like to highlight with 2 highlighters. Yes, now back home, but me and new, okay. I like to mix because I'm mixing me a Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in the shade Conceited. Now my Saffron and Laura Geller Diamond Dust highlighter because I like the iridescent pink color. Wow. Girl no but me fabric me brow if I can curve because one who said Artist Couture no I get very pigmented. Now my Safa rose water spray we know my mixer my highlighter no deep from ISSA Cosmetics in the shade 24K a Rihanna a trophy wife dupe no FM, and then at the same time under $10, but because of the fact that I said Debbie I'm a person no I get very vibrant my Safa highlight to Noshim so that when I spray my face it's like girl you know. For my lip color, maybe lining my lips with Night Moth from MAC Cosmetics. But at the same time, no, it's just like colorway no effort, and I can't find it anywhere. My shopping, yeah, only colorway. Pencil Baco way is $16 and I said $17. Oh shit. Now my Safa my Ruby Kisses Forever Matte in the shade Trust Me. I'm Pesa color no your matte and my bra before me lip gloss back will be Asasha so we know your friend no staining mood gloss. I'ma say for Ruby Kisses and so. And Santa Maria me bra before me Omaloa Cosmetics opaque lip cream in the shade Fall Back. Asha so but me before I go a hang just because practice I like the ombre effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell me what you liked about it in the comments, and of course, you know, follow your girl. Tune in next time for my next tutorial. Bye guys.
I guess you back on a feed the back and Manchester. Osman is on coffee no man on no boss. In Mattifying, me both I want to go home.